This is Nagaraju. I recently graduated from the MNR College of Engineering in the stream of Computer Science. I joined here in the month of November 2024 as an incubation student in the Java Full Stack Development. Today, I have secured with the job as a trainee software engineer. It's all because of Jspiders Punjagutta. Here, all the trainers are very skilled and very passionate. The way of teaching, the way of explanation, and the way of interacting with the students is extremely good. The main advantages of the Jspiders is we can get the hands-on experience, and the presentation classes and mock interviews are the very helpful during the interviews. Compared to other training institutions, here we can get the practical knowledge and quality of training. It's all because of Jspiders Punjagutta. Thank you.